Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So you guys, the holidays is over, and I know you guys are probably sitting here like, sis, where have you been for the past week? What happened to Vlogmas? I've been MIA. I know, do not come for me. I already know. Look, sis got busy. Life happens. We will try again in 2021, okay? But in today's video, I will be doing a video on what I actually got for Christmas since the holiday is over, even though I do not want it to be over, okay, you guys? So I will show you all of the gifts that I got from my family and my friends. I love them all so much. Before we even get started into this good old video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below. Let's get started into this good old, I don't know, it's not unboxing, show and tell, okay? So let's see, what is the first item I'm going to start with today? So, yeah, I have so many good items here. So many good items. Okay, so the first thing that I got for Christmas was actually this pajama set. Just so cute. This pajama set that I got from my boyfriend's mom. I have like a little unicorn on here with some shorts. Super duper fluffy, y'all, and soft. Okay, you know, it's the winter time. It'd be cold in this house, y'all. Also got some Bath and Body Works products. This is the scent Magic in the Air, and it is a shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin C. It is a almond flower sparkling white iris whipped vanilla bourbon with a fluffy sandalwood. Oh, it smells very soft, so I like it. So yeah, got this. Got the lotion and the body mist. Can't have enough of that. The next thing I got was actually this fleece from my sister. This is a micro fleece blanket. I think it's from Target. It's an extra large size too. So nice and cozy. I love to have fleeces, y'all. I love fleeces to carry them on a plane, to sleep with, because like I said, it's cold, okay? I bring them to the dentist appointment because I'll be falling asleep there. You can never have enough fleeces. So yes, and it's a nice neutral gray. So that'll go with everything. Okay, so the next item is actually this jean jacket that Bae got me. It actually has a hoodie on it. It's from Fashion Nova. I'm about to say Forever 21 Jesus. Fashion Nova. Super duper cute jean. Y'all know I'm obsessed with jean, y'all. I have so many jean jackets. It's insane. But this is actually my second black, I think, my second black jean jacket for now. So the next thing that I got is my favorite, y'all. This is a sweater from Fashion Nova. Now, I actually already got this sweater. Let me stand up with it. So I actually already got this sweater from Fashion Nova in another color. It's kind of cropped, which I like, and I love burgundy, y'all, so much. I will post a picture of the orange one that I have and the brown one that I have, or the tan one that I have of this. But when he got me this one in burgundy, I was like, oh, y'all, it just looks so bougie. It's kind of like oversized, so the arms is kind of like wide, but it's so cute. He also got me the matching pants to go along with it. Now with the other ones that I got, I do not have like the pants to go with it. I just have the sweater. So this is a good combo because I never ordered the sets. I don't know why. I just always like tops. So the next thing, y'all, I have been obsessing of getting this item for a long time. Well, not too long, but long enough. This is the Vanity Planet iconic facial steamer in the color rose gold, y'all. My bestie got me this. Y'all know I'm obsessed with skincare routines, and I've always wanted a facial steamer. I never had one before, and now I do. And I wanted this Vanity Planet one because I heard so many great reviews on it. So y'all, I can't wait to use this, and you know I'm gonna do a video about this doggone facial steamer to boost up my skincare routine, and I'm ready. Y'all, I'm ready. A facial steamer is so good for the skincare routine because it detoxifies the skin, cleanses, clarifies, and hydrates the skin complexion, and it's great for all skin types. Follow me on Instagram if you do not already, because I definitely will be posting this on Instagram a whole lot, okay? So the next thing I got is a Zara gift card, which I don't know why they keep it in these little boxes. I can't even open up the box. Oh, Zara. Oh, it's so tight, Jesus. But yeah, so I got a, oh, they do too much. You do not need all of this extra paper in your gift card. Oh, y'all already know a sis loves Zara, along with Sephora, Ulta, and everywhere else. But as far as clothing stores, I love Zara, H&M. So I'm happy that I got this. You know, this would definitely be going on trip because the sis be shopping. Then I got this candle. This is in Ocean Riptide. It almost smells coconutty. So this is another candle to add to my collection of 1,000,001 3-wick candles and candles in general. So this next gift, now y'all, I got the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. This is in a size mini in the color this slate green. Y'all, I have been eyeing this tote bag. Now I really did want the small one. But it's okay. I love this one too. It's a nice size. It's really a nice size. And I love the color. Hopefully I do not have any type of issues with color transfer. Now I do have something to say about Marc Jacobs. First of all, why you do not come in dust bags? I mean, Marc Jacobs is one of the lower end of designers. But I still feel like, I mean, Coach, you know, Michael Kors, they come in dust bags. Why this couldn't come in a nice dust bag? I mean, Marc Jacobs, I think y'all need to change that because the sis was like a dust bag. I'm just saying. But this is super duper cute. I am going to do a full review on this. Now, you can wear this as a top handle and also as a strap to wear it crossbody. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a full review on it. By itself, or what can fit into the bag, and a full description of the bag. But yes, it's super duper cute, y'all. Nice and neutral. Come on now, baby, and a happy holiday. Now, y'all, so this gift right here, first of all, wait. So you guys, so this next gift, oh my gosh, is from Bay, y'all. Bay did a great job this Christmas. A great job. So he got me a Polene Paris handbag. Now y'all, let me tell y'all the story about this handbag first of all. So this is the, y'all already know I already have one Polene Paris, the numero 1 in the color cognac or brown. But this one is the Polene Paris numero 8, I believe is how you pronounce it, in the color, I can't remember, I think it's a tan, I'm not really sure. So y'all, he got me this bag, and this is in a mini size. Now he got me this bag because first of all, babe, when it comes to gift, he always try to stalk my social media to see exactly what I want for Christmas or for my birthday or for whatever. And I tweeted about wanting this, I don't know, maybe like the end of November or something like that, along with some other Christmas gift like getting new tires, getting some tint and everything like that. But yeah, so he got me this, y'all. I was so shocked. First of all, when I seen this color, this pearl color box, when I opened up the wrapper, I said, this is the Polene Paris, y'all. So this is super duper cute. Y'all know I'm gonna do a full video on this one. So cute, y'all. So it has a top handle and also can be crossbody as well. But yes, I'm gonna do a full video on this handbag, y'all. She is cute. Isn't she so cute? She's bigger than my head. So yeah, so the next gift they got me was another Polene Paris. Y'all, when I opened up this second one, I was like, wait, hold on, this is another pearl color box. It's only can be another handbag. I'm like, what handbag could it even be? So he got me another Polene Paris numero 1. Now, the way how he found out that I wanted this handbag, this is in the color, like I said, I already have the cognac or the brown one. This is the navy blue one. Y'all, he went into my YouTube videos, into a deep YouTube hole, he said. And he watched my video review on the first one that I got, and I completely forgot that I even mentioned that I wanted the navy one, and I said specifically for Christmas, but I was gonna get it myself. They actually also have a dark navy blue textured leather one that I have my eye on, but I was like, you know what, let me just get my first one first, and then maybe eventually I'll get, you know, the navy blue one, or actually ask it for Christmas, hopefully. Didn't expect for him to give me 2 Polene Paris handbags, but I'm so grateful, y'all. I already wore this one, y'all. But yeah, so this is the numero 1 in the color navy. Now I don't really have to do a whole video on this one because obviously the brown one and this one is the exact same thing, but this is a crossbody as well, y'all, and it's so freaking cute. So cute. Look at the color, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at sis. Look at sis. sis is cute. Sis is cute. Okay. Yo, I love me some handbags. I have a problem. I don't care though. And another gift that I do not have on me right now, that one of my best friends is actually shipping to me, is the Ikea. I cannot remember the entire name of this handbag, but I will post it right here. This Ikea tote bag that I wanted. I seen I know Lee or Halencia with this tote bag, and I just love it. It's super affordable. It's like $30, but I just like the tote bag, so I thought it was cute. So he's shipping that to me because it arrived when he left his home. But and then my last gift is a, what was it called, a Ninja Cook It, I don't know, but my boyfriend got me this air fryer, this huge air fryer. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold it, it's in the hallway right now, it's so damn heavy, but it's called the Ninja Cook It or something like that. It's a Ninja brand air fryer, and it's a double air fryer where you can air fry and roast, I believe. But he got that for me. Supposedly that's like a hard to find item, y'all. I was shocked when I even got that, because I'm like, what made you even give me an air fryer? But but I'm actually going to use that, you know, to try and be a little bit more healthier, because the sis been slacking, y'all. I've been kind of off my keto for a while, y'all. But I think the air fryer will be a little bit nice to, you know, trying to get back on track of the healthy eating, because the sis been cutting up. That is all my gifts, I believe, that I got so far from Christmas. So that completes everything that I actually got for Christmas. I believe that's everything that I got for Christmas. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed y'all Christmas holiday. I hope you guys got everything that you wanted and gave everybody, you know, anything that they wanted, and, you know, enjoy the smiles and the laughter, because that's the main thing that I enjoyed this year. Like, it was just like, it wasn't about getting certain things, because I didn't really think I was gonna get certain things, especially these two POLENE Paris handbags, but it was more so just the giving and seeing the smiles and the laughter and just enjoying the moment with family. Even though that's how it is all Christmas, it was just a little bit different this year. It was more of that, okay? So I hope you guys actually enjoyed y'all holiday time, and thank you so much for joining this channel, subscribing with me, vibing with me, entertaining me, or being entertained by me, or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this good little video. I hope you guys continue to ride with me, and if you have not already, go ahead and click the red button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye guys.